Okay, let's talk about enlargements and reductions. Enlargements, when we're talking about dilations, are going to have a scale factor that is greater than 1, making it bigger. Reductions are going to have a scale factor that is less than 1, so we're making it smaller. So to figure out whether you have an enlargement or a reduction, you are going to make a ratio of corresponding side lengths and simplify. And when you make that ratio, it is always, always, always image over original. Okay? Let me show you what I mean with this example here. We have figure TRSV right here. And then we have its dilation here, TRSV. We need to decide what is the scale factor for this image, and is it an enlargement or a reduction? So two things we need to answer here. All right, so it's always image over original. So let's look at line TR, T prime, R prime. Line T prime, R prime is 2 units long. We're going to put that over the length of its corresponding side, which would be line TR. Now line TR is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units long. So notice I put the image over the original. So our scale is 2/8, but we need to simplify it down, so that's the same as 1/4. And so the scale factor is 1/4. And since 1/4 is less than 1, this is a reduction. Okay? So let's try that with one more example. Okay? Right here, I'm going to draw for you someone's backyard. Okay? And the backyard has a doghouse right here. And this doghouse is 3 long. And then this section right here is 6 long. The doghouse is a dilation of the yard, meaning it's a similar figure and its corresponding side lengths, we can write them as a ratio. So I want you to pause the video and think for me, what is the scale factor? And is it an enlargement or a reduction? So you are going to need to do the same thing, make a ratio of the corresponding side lengths and simplify. If that ratio is greater than 1, then it is an enlargement. If the ratio is less than 1, then it is a reduction. So pause the video and try to work through that, and then restart the video to check your work. All right, so I know that my scale factor is always image over original. So the image, I only have this one side length to work with. The image is 3 long. The original is not 6 long. 6 is measuring from here to here. The original is 9 long. It goes from here to here. So it's 3 over 9. And so we are going to simplify that down to 1/3. And so the doghouse is a reduction. It is less than 1, and so the scale factor is 1/3, and it is a reduction.